Jersey Show here, back with another episode, and I just realized a couple of seconds ago, right after I did that intro, I realized it's a copy of JD's. Oh jeez, please guys, don't kill me. I didn't mean to. I've been looking for an intro that had that song for a long time though. Wait, is it sound fixed? I can't tell. Oh, the sound's fixed, guys! Guys, the sound's fixed. Guys, the sound's fixed for ya. And I didn't fix it, by the way. I gotta change my logo again. As you saw, if you didn't see, I already added some banners now. I added a banner now, so yeah, that's cool.